In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Lovable AI to your WordPress site, seamlessly integrating these two platforms. If you're looking to enhance your website's functionality with AI features, you've come to the right place. Let's dive into the process step by step. First off, head over to the Lovable AI website. You might want to have your login credentials handy if you need to sign in. Once you're on the website, you'll want to navigate to your project section. Take a moment to identify which project you're specifically aiming to integrate with WordPress. Selecting the right project is crucial as this will determine what content or functionality you're embedding into your site. With the correct project in view, ensure that it's published. This is a key step. Your project needs to be live and accessible. Otherwise, it won't be visible once integrated into your WordPress site. If you haven't published it already, now is the time to do so. Once your project is up and running, locate and copy the web app URL provided by Lovable. This URL acts as a bridge between Lovable AI and your WordPress site, so make sure you have it copied correctly. Now, let's shift gears and take a look at WordPress. Access your WordPress admin page by logging in with your admin details. This is where the integration magic happens. Once logged in, head to the Pages tab in your WordPress dashboard, click on it, and from the drop-down, choose All Pages. This will display a list of all the pages currently on your site. At this point, you have two options. You can either select an existing page where you want to add your AI functionality, or choose to create a new page. Let's say you've decided on a specific page. Go ahead and select it, then navigate to the content editor. In the WordPress block editor, you'll notice a small plus icon, which is your gateway to adding a variety of blocks to your page. Click on this plus icon, allowing you to either search for or select the HTML block. This is crucial because pasting your Lovable link directly onto the page can disrupt its functionality. Instead, pasting it within the HTML block ensures full integration. With the HTML block active, paste the Lovable web app URL that you had copied earlier. This will embed the AI functionality directly into your page. Make sure everything is correctly placed and that the URL is complete. Once you're satisfied, do a quick preview to ensure everything looks and operates as expected. Finally, don't forget to save your changes. This confirms the integration and makes your AI features live on your WordPress site. Keeping a backup is always a good idea in case adjustments need to be made later. And there you have it. Your site now boasts AI-powered capabilities, opening it up to new possibilities. Thank you for watching and happy integrating.